Welcome back. The tussle between state and centre has taken a toll on economy and the common man. The supremacy battle has put the mining industry in a limbo. If the state initiates an action, the centre stops it. Whereas if the centre initiates something, the state makes a move to halt it. Here is how, a special report by Mahesh Kadi.
The Goa government on Monday issued a notification asking all 90 mines in the state to suspend operations with immediate effect. After 2 days, Union of Environment and Forest Minister Jayanti Natarajan criticized Manohar Parrikar and suspended environmental clearances of all the 93 mining leases in Goa.
As Environment Minister, I hereby suspend all environment clearances.
Sources have told following things to Prudent. Central game plan. Halt mining even if state is willing to start it. Suspend EC to initiate this move. Pressurize state government to bend before centre. Arm twisting considering 2014 election. Centre knows that Goa's economy is dependent on mining sector. Even BJP MLAs fear that this pressure tactics and ego battles between the state and centre would eventually harm economy and common man. Speaking to Prudent Media, MLAs from mining belt criticized centre. They decided to stand strongly with Manohar Parrikar. They advised CM not to bow down before the centre.
सरकार हालपा खातीर हांगा ते कोण 16-17चेर येवन ना ते 8-9चेर सरकार हालपाचो प्रश्नच येना हांगा
आनी घट आनी लूज म्हणपाचो आनी प्रश्न येना तुमी बरे भशेन हे सरकार चलया 5 वर्सां म्हणून दिल्लें लोकांनी कौल ते आनी ते कित्याक बदल जातलो तो बदल जावपा प्रश्न येना ह्यो काही कितलेय समज जर तर लोकांक जर समज डॅमेज करपाचे जर प्रयत्न केले न्ही जाल्यार सरकार तांकां सेफगार्ड करतलेच.
But if the stalemate continues, the pressure on BJP MLAs in mining belt may compel them to take some drastic steps. Although Manohar Parrikar is confident about the stability of the government, he cannot afford to allow the status quo for long. Mahesh Kadi with video journalist Dinesh Karpe and Sushant Pal for Prudent Media.
Shack Owners Welfare Society has alleged the hoteliers of lobbying to ban shack owners' business in the state. They have demanded stopping of charter flights arriving before the 15th October. Shack owners will organize a morcha on 4th October to substantiate rules to hotels and stakeholders as applicable to shack owners. The coastal regulator has decided to postpone the operations of shacks till 15th October.
About 350 shack owners operate in Goa. Agitated shack owners held a meeting in Panaji on Saturday. They are agitated on the decision taken by the coastal regulator to postpone shack operations by 15th October. They discussed their future course of action. They have demanded stopping of all the charters coming in Goa during the touristic season.
आम्ही आता एक डिमांड घालतले 4 तारखेर आमचो मोर्चा आहा आम्ही मोर्चा काडटले GCZMA कडे सांगपाक की चार्टर पासून बंद कर 15 तारीख पासून चार्टर पासून बंद कर कित्याक इतलो हेवी टुरिस्ट येता गोंया तेका लागून आमची बीच हालता सो त्यो सारक्यो करपाक आमी तांकां सांगतले त्यो सारक्यो जावपाक 24 तारखेर 24 आमी वचोन ताका सांगतले मायकलाक आमचो डिमांड सगळे चार्टर बंद कर म्हणून. दुसरो आमी एक रेजोल्यूशन घेतला की सीएमाक एक डेडलाइन कशी आमी हे केल्या 24 सप्टेंबर कित्याक सीएमान आमकां सांगचें की पॉलिसी आउट केन्ना कोता तो आमकां.
The shack owners have also alleged that the hoteliers' lobby is trying to ban shack owners' operations in the state.
More than 100% I can say this has been done by 5-star hotel lobby, and every season they try very hard to trouble us, and we will never allow to ban shacks. If they are banning shacks, that means tourism. We want tourism to stop.
Reporter Mahesh Kadi with video journalist Sushant Pal for Prudent Media.
Banavli MLA Caetano Xavier alias Kaitu has filed an application to dismiss the petition on technical grounds filed against him by Valanka Alemão. On Friday, Kaitu filed his reply to the court over his alleged Portuguese citizenship. Meanwhile, the concerned returning officer has filed an application to remove his name from the petition.
On 14th of August, the High Court had directed Banavli MLA Caetano Xavier to file his reply to the petition alleging him of holding Portuguese citizenship. Accordingly, the MLA and 6 out of 7 respondents filed reply in the High Court. Now Kaitu has filed an application to dismiss the petition on technical grounds. Kaitu has maintained his claim of being born in Goa and being a permanent resident of Banauli. His reply also clears that he has never been a domicile of any other country other than India. The petitioner has furnished the Portuguese birth registration certificate of Kaitu. Kaitu has, however, flatly refused of these facts. Meanwhile, a returning officer who is party to this petition has asked the court to remove his name from this matter. He claims that he has no relevance in this case. The court will hear the matter again on 27th of this month. A reporter from High Court, Pratik Parab.
3 of Goa's police personnel deputed to Manipur had a close encounter with an IED blast on Friday. The blast is claimed to have been plotted by a local militant group willing to reign the Zilla Panchayat election in the region. 200 Goan police personnel have been sent for an attachment training in Manipur with the BSF.
The blast occurred when the 116 Battalion of Border Security Force was patrolling the area. 3 of the Goan police on training with BSF were a part of the patrolling team. One of the constables, Babli Naik, got paranoid due to a very close encounter to the blast. On anonymity of identity, we spoke to one of the Goan deputies in Manipur.
आणि आज किन आले आम्ही हिरोईक आहात न्हू आम्ही 116 बटालियनाच्या एफ कंपनीन ओके ती आज सांचे पेट्रोलिंगाक गेल्ले तेन्ना थंयसर आमकां आयडी घालून अटॅक केलो ओके आमी पेट्रोलिंग वयताच्या रोडार आयडी लायली तेंच्यांनी आनी एक बीएसएफाचो एक कॉन्स्टेबल इंजर्ड आणि आमचो एकलो भुरगो आसलो बाबली सावंत म्हणून तेका क्लोज नियरस्ट तेका तीन भुरगे आसले आमचे गोंयचे पेट्रोलिंगान आमचे 3 जाण भुरगे पेट्रोलिंगान गेल्ले तेंचे बरोबर मिलिटंट्स लोकल मणिपुरी मिलिटंट्स आनी ते ग्रुप आसा खूब हांगा आणि हांगा तर आता सध्या त्यांचे इलेक्शन लोकल पंचायत इलेक्शन आणि झेडपी इलेक्शन चालू आहा आणि ह्या दिसांनी मिलिटंट्स मुवमेंट सारखे खूप ऍक्टिव्ह जाल्ले आहा.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
News from sports after we come back from a short break. Stay tuned.